Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether Goodbudget supports multiple currencies. Goodbudget is a popular budgeting app that uses the envelope method. It is designed to work best with a single currency. The app itself is currency agnostic, meaning you can enter any currency symbol you want, but it doesn't have a built-in feature to automatically handle multiple currencies or perform conversions. If you need to track different currencies, you'll need to use workarounds. A common suggestion is to create separate households within the app for each currency you want to track. This keeps your budgets completely separate, but it means you'll have to switch between them. Another method is to create an account and a separate set of envelopes for each currency within a single household. However, this can get complicated because the app will combine the totals of all your accounts and envelopes, regardless of the currency, which can make your overall budget balance look misleading. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.